Good morning, Mr. Pura.
Okay, before you sit.
Good morning, visitors.
Okay, before you sit, please pick up all the papers under your chair. Okay, let's see group 1. Very good, you may sit.
Oh, ayan. Oh, sit down na, sit down.
Okay, can I call on the group leaders to report the absences? Who is the leader of group 1? Sandy? Okay. Bigyan ng isang bagsak! Bigyan ng isang bagsak! Bigyan ng isa! Bigyan ng isa! Bigyan ng isang bagsak! Okay. Group 2 leader.
Paano kasi?
Group 3.
Madilim. Madilim.
Group 4. Okay, give group 4 mga kalaklak. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Group. Next group, group 5.
Oh, ayan.
That's group 6. Natin.
Good morning, classmates. I'm happy to tell you that all of my members in Group 2 are present today.
Give group 6, angel clap. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, yesterday, I discussed to you all about ecosystem. So I have here a set quiz. Okay? These following jumbled letters represent each word. Okay? You have to arrange it properly. Then after you arrange it, you have to define or to give the definition. Okay? Can you please arrange the first word? Pauline. Make it fast.
Laki, wag kang...
Ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Consists of abiotic and biotic. So these are systems including the interactions between the living and the non-living organisms. Okay, next word. Jessica. Natural ecosystem is a kind of ecosystem that is unmanaged or uncontrolled by people or humans. Correct? Very good. Next. Impact. Okay, man-made.
Man-made. They're managed by people.
Man-made are kind of ecosystem managed by people or controlled by humans. Next. What is biotic? Biotic.
Biotic is the living.
Okay, biotics are living organisms. Okay, next. Ramon. Okay, pass. Are you sure with your answer? Okay, what is a biotic? Okay, biotic, a non-living organism. Next letter. U. Yes.